Tired of feeling like your money is just disappearing? Ever looked at your bank statement and wondered, where did all my money go? Or, worse, found a charge for a subscription you completely forgot about? It's a common problem, and it's why a lot of people turn to budgeting apps. But with so many out there, it can be hard to know which one to choose. Today, we're taking a look at Rocket Money, an app designed to help you save more, spend less, and take back control of your finances. We'll be doing a full walkthrough of their 7-day free trial so you can see if it's the right tool to help you get your money in order. When you first open the app, you'll be prompted to link your financial accounts. This is the core of how Rocket Money works. It pulls all of your transactions from your checking accounts, savings, credit cards, and even investments into one central place. It uses a secure service called Plaid to do this, so your login info is never stored by Rocket Money itself. Once your accounts are linked, the magic starts to happen. The app immediately begins to analyze your spending and categorize your transactions. It identifies all of your recurring subscriptions and bills, which is one of the most powerful features. This is where you might find that gym membership you never use or that streaming service you signed up for months ago. The best part? Rocket Money's premium version, which you're trying out in this trial, offers a concierge service to cancel these subscriptions for you. You literally just tap a button in the app and they do the work. Beyond subscriptions, the app gives you a clear picture of your spending habits. You can see pie charts showing where your money is going, whether it's on groceries, dining out, or shopping. This visual breakdown can be a real eye-opener and helps you identify areas where you can cut back. You can also set up custom budgets for different spending categories and track your progress in real time. Another key feature in the trial is the automated savings tool. Rocket Money can analyze your spending and cash flow to find the perfect amount to save without you even noticing. It's like having a little financial assistant tucking money away for you. The trial also gives you access to things like net worth tracking and credit score monitoring, giving you a comprehensive view of your financial health. Ultimately, this free trial is your chance to see if Rocket Money's features, like subscription cancellation, bill negotiation, and automated budgeting, can make a real impact on your finances. See if it finds any subscriptions you forgot about. See if the savings feature works for your spending habits. After the 7 days, you'll know if it's worth the affordable premium fee to continue using these powerful tools. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.